Welcome to our channel. If you want to opt out of iCloud backup for the Chase mobile app to enhance privacy or manage storage, follow these step-by-step instructions to disable automatic cloud backup for your banking app. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone by tapping the gray gear icon on your home screen. Step 2. Tap on your name at the top of the settings screen to access your Apple ID settings. Step 3. Tap on iCloud to view your cloud storage and backup settings. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Manage Storage or iCloud Backup depending on your iOS version. Step 5. Tap on Backups to see which devices are being backed up to iCloud. Step 6. Select your current device from the list to view backup details and included apps. Step 7. Scroll through the list of apps to find Chase Mobile or Chase app. Step 8. Toggle off the switch next to Chase Mobile to exclude the app and its data from iCloud backups. Step 9. A confirmation message may appear explaining that turning off backup will delete existing Chase Mobile backup data from iCloud. Confirm your choice. Step 10. Exit settings and your Chase Mobile app data will no longer be included in future iCloud backups, providing additional privacy for your banking information. Step 11. For extra security, consider using Chase's own backup or security features within the app itself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.